Hey you! Welcome to our channel. This is Nala, our tiny home at Beneto's first 26 feet. I'm Conceição and this is our captain Cleanthis. We started our journey in 2016 from Greece, Crete, with the dream to circumnavigate the globe. Since then, we visited West Africa, Senegal, the Bijagos archipelago in Guinea-Bissau and got trapped in the Caribbean. Exploring mountains is a passion, and the depths of the sea is an obsession. But that's okay, since life itself is our only possession. Join us on this journey. Cheers. Don't finish it, okay? So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. As you knew, we're working on the water maker installation, and now we are forced to stop it because there is a storm coming. It's not a hurricane, thank God. We're gonna have pretty strong winds. It's gonna be around 50 knots winds to 60 with the gust. So we had to stop the installation and prepare the boat very quickly. It's all messy. We had just to stack things around, okay? So we just had to clean up the bottom because we've been away for 1 month, 1 full month, so it gave time to have some growth on the bottom. So actually is just on the water now, cleaning the bottom, so we can go to a safe anchorage now. We don't have the time to head to Bonaire or Curacao or Aruba, which is one of our plans, or eventually even Colombia. But Aruba will be, Bonaire I mean, will be the destination, but we learned by our friends that are there, they had to move because marina is very expensive and the anchorage, the moorings are all full, all taken. So we'll go to Curacao, but now we just hopefully gonna go after the storm pass. It already has even a name, which I don't remember, but well, it will have to do. We're gonna go now to Lamentin. We are in Fort-de-France right now. We're gonna go to Lamentin because it's not so, there's not much, it's not so wavy inside there, so we're not gonna have many waves. It's better to be there. Akis was here in the previous storm and it wasn't comfortable. I mean, with the ferry is already a headache every day, imagine with a real storm. So we're gonna go to Lamentin, wait everything to calm down, and after we'll decide where to head exactly. Akis is cleaning the bottom. Baby! Hunting Akis. Where is he? Ow! Boom! Ow! Boom! Oh, there he is. Mr. Captain is on the bottom of the bay. Just saw his legs. He'll come up eventually, to breathe at least. It's pretty windy already. Many people are moving away, or actually many people just went closer to the fort, so they have the protection because of the wind. They're not gonna have like the strong gusts. But well, we prefer the Lamentin because we want to really avoid the waves, the swell. That's gonna be a mess here tomorrow. It's pretty wavy already. I mean, there are big waves and you can see the white foam from here on the way to Lamentin, but better to go now than staying here. Better to face those waves for like 2 hours, usually will take us 1 hour, then stay here and wait for it. That's not the solution. Hey, mister! Captain!
I am evicting the crabs. Murderer of crabs.
You're not gonna come on board with all those friends of yours there I see swimming on your skin, eh? You better shove them off. So apparently bottom is in better condition right now. Let's hope for it. Otherwise it's gonna be slow as hell. If we need to escape from something, gonna be easy prey. It's funny to observe that we are at sea here, we are panicking, and at the city everything is going just normally, as if nothing's gonna happen, nothing's about to happen. So it's very interesting to see life goes on normally, and we are here almost panicking.
What is that?
Burn the screen.
I know. I suppose they will either buy a new one because we didn't need it.
Oh, and it's burned.
It's maybe humidity. I'm not sure what happened to it. Maybe I should have bought a new one. Finally sailing again.
Good morning, guys. So yesterday we made it to come here to Lamentin. Through the wind is getting stronger and stronger. It was a lot windy in the channel, so we had to motor slowly, but we arrived. And now it's around like 8 o'clock. Yeah, this is the prediction to the wind, the strong winds will start arriving. Another prediction, the American one says that she'll arrive at 10. But anyway, we start already having very strong winds, and there is a catch here on the mooring. We don't know what's happening, but right now they are fighting to come back, and I don't think they're gonna make it because the wind is really... Oh shit!
What?
Baby!
What?
I think they...
Oh, that was the wind. They didn't ground yet.
Oh shit! They are going straight to the shallows, and the wind is dragging them back. For a moment I thought they just capsized right now, or they are capsizing, because I could see almost the whole bottom. It's far away, unfortunately through the camera we can't capture anything, but they're really trying hard, but I think they are doomed. I mean, if they can just drop the anchor there, but I guess it's very deep there. How deep is there?
Where they are now, it's deep, but they
Oh,
are going
shit.
towards the shallows.
So they are being just
But they are
dragged.
doing something, I don't know. There is a dinghy in the water.
Maybe they're trying to get to the red boy to tie it.
I don't know. But they need to use their sails. Now they are turning, so maybe they motor. Maybe they had issues with the motor, or they had rope from the mooring cutting the propeller.
Yeah, probably they have the rope from them. I don't know. We wish you could go there to help them, but if we only have a kayak, that's not gonna do any good. And with Nala, we'll be in the same situation as them. I mean, their motor is probably stronger than ours. Ours just do tuk, and with this wind, it's not gonna move at all. Just with the strength of the wind backward. Oh my god. It's super strong winds right now. The boat leans as if we're sailing, but it's gonna get much worse because the rains haven't arrived yet, and the wind is not at the strongest point yet.
Now they are motor.
Oh god. As you see, the bay is almost not full at all. It's very empty actually. We're afraid that we wouldn't find space to drop our anchor, because we thought that everyone will have the same idea as us, to come here and to get a bit more protection, to run away from the big waves in Fort-de-France, and here too it's less windy than in Fort-de-France. But not really. If it was a hurricane, probably wouldn't be a good idea to be here, but as it's just a storm, this is the best that anyone could have done, to have some protection and less movement and less wind. So we came and it's almost empty.
Way in Madrid. If
Yes.
it's a hurricane, it's gonna pass near Granada.
The prediction just changed. They say that's gonna be a hurricane.
So we are
And
gonna
you're gonna be here in a hurricane, and it's called Hurricane Elsa.
It's under the sea, it's gonna get very bad.
Okay, calm down. Well, the boat is making it. I'm not sure if it is anchored, but a friend of ours just sent us a message saying that it's just changed for a hurricane, category 1. And Grenada gonna be in worse situation than us here in Martinique because wind's gonna come from the south. So in Grenada, all the bays are open to the south. So it's gonna be very bad, it's gonna hit very bad. Of course, that doesn't make me more comfortable or oh god, oh shit, I'm gonna be here in a hurricane. Oh shit. We hope everything gonna be okay. Oh god.
For us, one boat they broke through the mooring, and now.
The rain started, it's here. Aki's is outside because our hatch started leaking.
It's cold! I need to come more inside, David. I'm still getting rain.
Is almost here. We are basically waiting for it, and the most scary part of it all is silence before the big hit. It's very stressful. There is a bit of peace in it, really, but it's overall stressful. Can make you panic. We know that it's just category 1. That means it's not a very strong hurricane. But it's the name hurricane that rings the bells. It's a hurricane. And it was supposed to be a storm. It was a storm. Now it's a hurricane. We are just waiting for it. I put bucket outside to fill up some water. Gonna need to shower after. It's good to have some extra water, right? Yeah. This can't be. I really think the moorings are breaking because no one in his perfect mind. Yeah? Oh shit, look! He has his motor on full and he barely can go forward. The moorings are breaking here. The boats are getting free. Oh shit, that can go very, very bad. He's maneuvering so close. Oh shit, baby! He gonna hit! He hit, baby! Oh shit, something fly away! I don't know, something fell in at sea. But I think they hit, the other guy stopped it, but... So moorings are breaking off. I have two boats that they are one motorboat, another one sailboat that they are trying to establish. They better do it fast. And they are going around bumping on others. The motorboat is trying to anchor forward away from everybody, and the sailboat, well, I don't know what he's trying to do, but he's going sideways. There is black smoke coming out from their whatever, from their exhaust. And they are going sideways on other boats, and there is very strong winds. Woo! Now we have stronger winds and rain. Actually, they said that we're gonna get a very small hit. We are how it is, baby?
What?
The update?
We are much north than the eye that it's supposed on the first prediction, so we are getting hit less than Saint Lucia. So that's where a bit like. I'm sending to Leo to see how he is in his place.
Did you get it? But for me it's too much south, north, east, whatever. Corner. We're gonna be fine. Elsa took its time to arrive. She doesn't respect timetables. To stop feeling our nerves, better say my nerves, as someone here always finds amusement, even in moments of distress. We decided to pass the time in one of our favorite ways, playing Catan. It did help a lot. I decided I'll panic when it's time to do so. From the rain and wind, thank God this is all what we got. I don't ask for more. We can call it a day now. It's morning. No one will say that a hurricane passed over just yesterday. The sun shines bright again. The sea is strangely calm. The birds fly and sing. Life continues with its course, and everything else too. To me, everything looked brighter and more vivid. One will say I'm seeing the world with new eyes after the darkness. Indeed, but I know it won't last, because I'm human after all, and we tend to forget.